player Emilia-Rose Leake is only 9. But despite her age, she's amassed a myriad of titles and trophies in the sport. So she's here with us this morning alongside her coach, Mr. Warren Elliott, to tell us a little bit about how she's so special. Good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time, Emilia-Rose.
Thank you.
It's awesome to have you. It's awesome to have you too, Coach.
Morning. Thanks.
Emilia, when did you start playing chess?
I started playing chess when I was 4 years old.
Oh my gosh. Wasn't it tough?
Yes. I didn't really care.
Oh, you were just having fun?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. So what is it about chess that you love so much?
I just like how you will need to come up with the moves in order to win the game.
Yeah, and you win a lot of games, right?
Yes.
Oh my God. Do you beat a lot of adults?
Yes.
I think you beat me too in the game. That's why I'm never going to play you, Emilia-Rose. I saw your closet, but we didn't look inside. We just saw all the trophies.
Yes.
What's the biggest thing you've ever won? Our biggest event?
When I've gone to Honduras and came second in the girls category.
In Honduras?
Yes.
So you're playing people from other countries?
Yes.
Weren't you nervous?
No.
No? How comes? Because you know you're that good.
Yes.
Coach, tell me a little bit about Emilia-Rose and what makes her so special.
Well, I hope you have time. Because, I've coached a lot of persons, maybe for about 20 plus years now, right? Mm-hmm. And I've never seen a talent as exceptional as hers, right?
Wow.
When I first met her, it was at Creative Kids at her school, and we're just doing some chess in the regular curriculum.
Yeah.
But I spotted that talent, you know? And immediately I was like, oh, hold on. Can I get a number for your dad? You know what I mean?
Mm.
And I contacted them, and believe me, she's proven to be quite exceptional.
Yeah. Yeah. Very focused?
Extremely focused. Unbelievably focused for someone her age, right? I mean, you might find kids sometimes that display that type of concentration, but at her age level, it's unbelievable.
Yeah, she's looking at all her pictures like, Dad, you gave them all my pictures. but Emilia, one of the things we saw, I know you swim, I know you play the piano.
Yes.
You play, yeah?
Yes.
But tell me, what is it about chess that really, you say, oh, this is something that I have to do?
Because
Just
I'm good at it. And I like beating people.
That would work.
That would work. I would love it too. So what's your ultimate goal for chess? You represent Jamaica now.
Yes.
And you've won against people from all over the world. So what's the vision? What do you want to do in chess?
My ultimate goal is to become the world champion and Jamaica's first grandmaster.
Okay.
Awesome.
And I'm sure she's probably going to do it by age 12. Just say. But what's that path for her, Coach?
Well, all right. So basically, it's not easy to become a grandmaster. There are very few grandmasters in the world, right?
Yeah.
But you might have noticed recently that the government of Jamaica has decided to sort of support that vision of trying to get accomplishments in the intellectual area. So they're trying to see if they can actually get a grandmaster. Of course, it's a long path. You have to travel a lot. You have to play a lot of international persons and so on. So things like that take a lot of support and so on, especially from, the corporate area.
Yeah.
But I think she's on the path, you know what I mean? She's quite inspirational. I don't know how, we meet up like 3 times a week, right? To train.
Really?
Minimum, by the way. When tournaments and so on are coming up, we are meeting up extra time and she's doing work on her own and so on.
Yeah.
So I believe that she has what it takes to actually complete that journey. We've never had someone from Jamaica. Well, Maurice Ashley is a grandmaster, but he didn't quite start playing chess in Jamaica. But we own him still.
DNA proves we are the father.
And we definitely don't have a woman grandmaster.
Yeah.
So I think
she's it. I believe that she's it. How do you balance school and chess and all the other things that you do, Emilia-Rose?
I just know that I have a lot to do and I become more and more responsible.
Oh my God. You plan Daddy's life, don't you?
No, not really.
Sometimes?
Yes.
Yes. I know. What's your favorite subject in school?
Mathematics.
I would guess so. All right. So when you go to school, do the kids say, "Oh my gosh, Emilia-Rose is our chess star"?
No.
They don't.
They don't really care.
So do you often play against children that are much older than you?
Yes.
Oh my God. And when you sit in front of them, are they scared or they say, she's young, we can beat her, and then they don't?
I just look, and then they look at me, and then they just think they can beat me.
Yeah.
And then they're surprised when they lose.
She's actually going to play in El Salvador in the CAC Games coming up this summer, right?
What?
Chess has been included in the CAC Games
Yeah.
for the first time ever.
Wow.
And of course, she actually made our Jamaican team to represent us. She's the youngest person to ever have done anything like that. But also, at the CAC Games, she's going to be
the youngest.
The youngest participant in the
Yeah,
entire
because that's why I was like, huh, CAC.
Usually adults or at least older teenagers and so on.
Yeah.
And Jamaica is going to have a 9-year-old.
Yeah. She must draw a lot of attention whenever she travels overseas to play.
She definitely does. I mean, she has a bubbling personality already, but
Yeah.
then usually she's walking around and she's the smallest one.
Yeah.
So-
Yeah. What do you say to children who are watching this morning and they're thinking, oh my gosh, but she's 9 and she thinks chess is cool. Maybe I can play chess too. What would you say to them?
That they should try.
They should try it. They'd be surprised, they'd have some fun, right?
Yes.
All right, you're going to teach Auntie how to play chess?
Yes.
It's going to be a long road, Emilia-Rose, but I think we're up to it and I think we can do it, right?
Yes.
I love it. She has such a positive attitude, and that's what's important. Because what I get from her is, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. And that's important in competition.
Yeah, she hasn't processed all the stress and all the heavy load. She's right now just having fun and displaying her talent and so on. So you're right.
Yeah. Emilia-Rose is like, he thinks I'm not processing the stress. I process that and put it aside. Love it. It's so cool to meet you this morning. I look forward to when you become the Grandmaster, ma'am.
Thank you.
And I know it's going to happen. It's going to happen soon. Thank you for representing Jamaica. And I know you're going to win some trophies in CAC. Gotcha. Coach, great to have you as well, you know.
Thank you. No, it's not my time.
Gotta big up Daddy. Gotta big up Daddy, right?
Yes.
Yeah, big up Daddy.
Yes.
Hi, Pierre. Chess champion. Wow. Emilia-Rose Leake, 9, you know? 9. And Coach Warren Elliott. Coming up, we hear how one creative director is creatively navigating life. Sim will have that one. We'll soon come.